Hello, my name is Roisin McGrory from Cairdeas and Inishowen, and you're very welcome to this fiddle tutorial for the Regional Cultural Centre in Letterkenny in association with Ceol na Coille Summer School. And what I want to do in this lesson is teach you a reel called Ballymacgan Fairies. It's a reel composed by Dinny Laughlin, a well-known fiddle player from Buncrana. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to play the tune through first of all, and then following that I'll break it down into 2-bar sections. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start off now with the first 2 bars of the tune, and you're starting on your D, your open D string, and you're just working up your scale. So at the end of the second bar, you'll notice we had a piece of ornamentation there, which is called a roll. The actual roll that I used is a 5-note roll, and it was on the A. So the notes for that roll, A, B, A, G, A. And when you're playing that, the standard way of playing it is on the one bow. Try that again. So we'll put it back into the tune now. Try that again. And the last time. So now we're going to try our 3rd and 4th bar, and it starts quite similar to the first. Try that again. And then when we go on to play our 5th and 6th bar, you'll notice that they're exactly the same as your 1st and 2nd. Try that again. And we'll finish off the first part of the tune with your 7th and 8th bar. Try that one more time. Now we'll put the first part of the tune together, so we'll take it nice and slow to get all the bars in. going to carry on with the second part of the tune, and you'll notice in this part of the tune that we've got a lot of descending and ascending runs. So we'll start off with the first 2 bars, and you're starting on an F. Okay, so we've got a C natural there at the end of your second bar, and you'll notice as well at the beginning of the first bar I have an F as our pick-up note, so I'm just putting a cut in there as that F. Okay, so the 2 Fs are cut with it's a grace note, and I'm using my AA finger for that grace note. We'll try that again. And one last time. Carry on with our third and fourth bar. Again. Last time. So now we'll play the first, second, third and fourth bar together. And we'll carry on now with the 5th and 6th bar, and you'll notice that they're exactly the same as your 1st and 2nd bar. And we'll finish off now with the 7th and 8th bar. Time. So we'll put the whole tune together now. Our first part is played twice, and our second part is played twice. So after a bit of practice, hopefully we'll have the tune up at session speed, so we'll give that a go now. So thank you all very much, and I hope you enjoy playing Ballymcghan Fairies, and I look forward to seeing you all and meeting you all at a session somewhere soon. Thank you.